There you guys go. Okay. We have a big announcement. I'm gonna announce it at the end of the video. But so currently Ben is in California. I was like, Ben, please send me some videos of what you're doing in Disneyland. And this is what he sent me.
There's always money in the banana stand, Michael.
Thank you, Ben. But we all know Chris is in China right now, so I asked you guys, what do you want Chris to go on in his next China adventure? And you guys wanted him to go to Hong Kong Disneyland. So, you know, Chris is going to Hong Kong Disneyland. Alright, so Chris started off his trip by hopping on their version of the monorail, which looks beautiful. I wish ours looked like that. Alright, Chris, take it away for the rest of the video.
Alrighty, everybody, I just got off of the best train in the world. You can see the Mickey ears. And now I'm at the Disney station. Oh my gosh, and it looks like I'm already at Main Street. It's like I took a monorail. It's like the subway. So this reminds me a lot of Disneyland Paris, where there's like just a giant walkway to get into the park, and it really pumps you up. All right, so the lights just turned off. I'm terrified, but guess where I am? Hong Kong Disneyland Resort. Hello everybody, it's Chris. Ooh, I do not look great. It is 1 in the morning. There's beautiful everything. There's not a squatty potty here. There's a real bathroom thing. Toilet? I can't speak English. Important news update, the tissue box has sneezy on it. That's important. There's also all 7 dwarfs are represented on the freaking amazing toiletry kit. I am dying so hard. I love it. And this bathroom is just delectable. I'm dying. Now the main part of the room, look at this little tea thing. There's a tea set. Bottled waters, these giant bottled waters are free. There's this amazing room, and I have so much swag. All right, so let's go over the swag. All of these stickers for my learners at home, my park map, this giant sticker. I have fast passes for every ride in the park. I have fast passes for the 2 main shows of the park. I'm gonna go have Tai Chi with Goofy tomorrow. This is Benson on the Times Guide, and he's really creepy. Oh no, it's one of Benson's friends. I don't know. Ooh, he's staring into your soul. This is what my hotel looks like from the outside when it's daytime. It's freaking amazing. I didn't even check out the view. I'm sure it's fine. Oh, I can't see anything because it's too cloudy, but it looks nice. All right, so the closet, you would think is nothing. However, there are bathrobes in it. There's a tiny bathroom and a big one, and there are slippers that you can take home. So it was only upon putting on my Mickey Mouse socks that I realized that there are hidden Mickeys literally everywhere in this hotel. And then there's all these paintings. This beautiful painting of the hotel with Mickey and the gang. And you've even got some Clarabelle action happening in the back, and I love it. I'm here for it. Huey, Dewey, and Louie are up there. I don't know who the rest of these guys are. That might be Ponchito and Jose. Patron, maybe? I don't know. There's even more swag. So guys. This is me unboxing the Hong Kong Disneyland summer bag. I don't know what's inside, really. Got more slippers. 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs, 4 pairs of slippers. They are so cute. Really cute. And then I have this tin. I don't know what's inside. Let me check. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's really cute. There's little cotton swabs, there's a little nail file, there's a comb. It's like, if I ever need to go to any other hotel, I have everything in here. This is too cute. I'm dying. It's fine. very cute. Now what? There's something else in here. Ooh, there's towels, little hand towels. I think that's all. And I get the bag. And let's see what the hand towels look like. Summer, in summer. I love the little castle, sand castle. I think that Mickey's eating a Dole Whip. It's great. So that's my room. I'm gonna get some shut-eye now, I think. Almost forgot, it's my birthday. So as I was going to bed, I realized that the outside of this mirror has a few surprises. They're all characters from Snow White. This is the best room ever. Tinkerbell's above my bed, giving me a little bit of pixie dust to go to sleep directly onto my head. Alrighty everyone, I think I'm turning in for the night. So I'll see you real soon and have a great night. Day? I don't know. Whatever time it is when you're watching this.
I am back. The rest of the Chris Disneyland footage is coming. There's like an hour of it. Coming soon. Now the big announcement is, I know you guys missed me going to this place last year. Paul, how are you doing today down there, buddy?
Oh, hey Kev. Sorry I was taking a nap. I'm so excited you're here and I can't wait for you to come out for this season. It's gonna be awesome. We missed you last year. And you know, I just wanted to give a special shout out to my girl Judy, my one and only fan.
Now, one of my favorite videos to make every single year, and you guys really enjoy it, is when I go all the way back to Maryland and film the video for Markoff's Haunted Forest. Last year I was opening Sebastian's Bistro, so I couldn't go, but I got the days approved off. We're going, I will be there. Let me check, I'm not too good with numbers. I got 5 layers on. All right, so guys, I'm gonna be at Markoff's on October 4th, 5th, and 11th. I finally did that correct, but don't worry. So we're gonna end the video with one of my favorite clips that I shot there.
Paul, your work is just on fire. Paul is finishing the final sprays on the greatest work of art since the Mona Lisa. Oh my God! So you got my nickname Little Churro. My birthday was the first video I posted on that date, and I died being trampled by annual pass holders.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. Smile. Alright.